I'm back with another Hot Beauty Hair video. So in the box you get your wig bag, you get your little Hot Beauty Hair silk wrap, a makeup bag, an edge brush, some clips, an extra and elastic band, bobby pins, and a pack of 2 wig caps. So this is what the wig looks like. It's just a curly wig, 20 inches, and so this is what the inside looks like. It's kind of like a half frontal, half closure situation, and the closure part is like a 5x5, 6x6 closure, so you have an ample amount of parting space. So you have 3 combs in the front, you have 1 comb in the back to secure it, and you have an elastic band in the back, like an elastic strap in the back, and then you have an elastic band that's already built in it. So there should be no reason why your wig should be coming off. So I'm just going to show y'all that this wig can get straight. So if you're looking for some versatility, instead of just having like a curly wig and having a straight wig, you can straighten this wig and you can have a 2-in-1. So I don't really think my flat irons are an accurate representation of how straight this hair can get. So I think my flat iron kind of sucks, but you can see that the hair gets straight. Like, it's not getting bone straight, but it's gonna get straight enough for you. So this is what the wig looks like when it's straightened. She is still silky, she's not stiff or anything. So now I'm going to use a 40 volume developer to bleach the knots, and then I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. So I decided to bleach the knots and then wash the hair all in one swoop. So you can see that I'm dipping the wig in and out of the water so the curls can come back. And then you're gonna see that the curls actually do come back. Like, when I put the water on there, I was kind of like, okay. But then when I put this Aussie, 3-minute miracle on the wig, and then I brushed it out, the curls came back instantly. So you can see that in real time the curls will come back. So now that I'm done washing it, I finished co-washing it, and the wig is clean. Now I'm gonna start plucking it. So when I make my hair videos, I include as much of my plucking footage as I can, because 1, it doesn't take me long, and 2, you know, somebody can learn from it. So when I pluck my wigs, when I pluck my frontal wigs, I do it like by parts. So I'll pluck one side, I'll pluck the middle, and then I'll pluck the other side. So I'm using the same strategy I use on the Hot Beauty Hair closure wig. So I'll part some hair towards the back, and then I'll pluck it, and then I'll work my way to the front. This makes it so much easier when I get to plucking the front part, because I don't have to pluck that much. So now I'm finished plucking the hairline, and then I just took some Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink and I used that on the hair to define the curls, and then I plucked the part. And then of course I had to do the little Instagram closure frontal style that everybody likes. So after that I'm installing it, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch me. What the wig is looking like installed. I got my makeup on. I actually decided to put some real clothes on for the end of this video. So here is what my install is looking like. She is melted into my skin. While I was putting my makeup on, I actually used the silk wrap from the box, and I just put the silk wrap on for a while and just let the lace just melt into my skin so she can look like scalp. So to be honest, I could really wear it like this if I wanted to, but I decided to wear it in the middle part because that's what I'm used to. So as you can see, the hair kind of dried a little bit, and to be honest, this is my favorite look. If you look at my OMG her hair review, you know that I love my curly hair to be big and voluminous. So even though I like my curly hair to be big and voluminous, I'm going to show y'all what it looks like when it's wet. So this is what the wig looks like when it's wet. I personally am not a fan of the wet look just because, like, if I wear curly hair, I want it to be big and voluptuous, but the wet look is cute too. So the details on this wig is 20 inches. And I really don't know what to call this because technically it's not a 13x4 frontal, it's not a T-part, and it's not a closure. So the way it's set up, even though you already saw it in the beginning of the video, there is this lace in the front, but the parting space doesn't go all the way back. So there is a track right here. Like if you pull some of the hair down far enough, then you will stop at a track. So you don't really get a ton of parting space right here, but it's similar to a 5x5, 6x6 closure situation because you do have a ton of parting space from here to here, and then from going from here to the front of your head. So you have a ton of parting space, but you don't have, you know, like all the parting space you would in the world as you would a frontal. So it's somewhere between a T-part, a 5x5, a 6x6 closure, and a frontal because of this extra lace in the front. In the beginning of the video, you saw that this hair can get straight. If you want to straighten the wig, all power to you, but for curly wigs, in my opinion, I just don't recommend that you straighten it because You buy the curly texture for the curly texture. Like if you want straight hair, you buy straight hair. If you want curly hair, you buy curly hair. If you want to, that's on you. Feel cute like summer wig. It's March. Spring, summer is approaching. Everybody needs them a good spring break. Summer is getting hot outside kind of wig, and this will fulfill your needs. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.